In a large plate, add 4 TBSP instant coffee. Then 5 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of water. Remember, use warm to hot water for best results. Now sieve it until it doubles in size and changes color. This, folks, is the perfect consistency for our coffee. Look how amazing it is. An easy, creamy coffee. To improve it, let's put it in the freezer. Leave it until it starts to firm up. After that time, just take it out. See, it has an ice cream texture. Now transfer it to your preferred container. You can enjoy this coffee hot or cold. I'll add ice and some milk to mine. Just mix and enjoy. I hope you liked it. Another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hug, see you next time, and thanks.